This new state-of-the-art electric stove can boil water 10 times faster than traditional cooktops. Here's how it works. Yeah, that's cool. Let's do that. Let's boil it faster. What are we doing? Standing around. Put a little salt in there. You're like, no, not yet. Hey, put a lid on that. Nah, still not yet.
Yeah.
Let's go with this instead. Here you can see the pot already boiling. Is it some sort of induction? A new development from Impulse Labs will change the way you cook from home. A San Francisco-based startup is changing the way you do the induction with their new induction stove utilizing a lithium-ion battery that delivers more power than a traditional electric unit while also decreasing the amount of power it needs to draw from the electrical outlet. The battery will also allow consumers to plug the stove right into a standard 110-volt plug without any electrical upgrades. At the end of the day, our goal here is to make something fundamentally better that people will want and choose to use. This is a key, Will. You want to create a new thing? Convince people about it? Don't guilt trip them into it. Just say, hey, this is better. You want it. Works better every time. Trust me, you want it. Back to the performance story. The argument should be over when you can ship something literally 10 times better. Here's a video showing how we're 10 times faster than a high-end natural gas stove at boiling water. 1 liter in 40 seconds, the gas stove takes 400 with the same pan. Yeah, well, you can see the bubbles already starting over there. 20 seconds in. Oh, what a tech demo that is. This is from, wait a second, this video, this is from November 15, 2022. So they've been at it.
Yeah, I guess so.
They've been at it. Now they're coming to market. I want to
see it in person, though.
No belief?
Yeah. I want to see it.
You need to see it. Wow. You know what? Impressive.
If it is, it's pretty impressive.
You're ready to go there.
Yeah.
Is it available now? Or like, why is there an article now? What can we do about it? The argument is 10 times better, he says in a tweet. I don't know. Probably you can't get it now, I'm guessing. Might have to check their website or something. There you go. Go to Impulse Labs, Inc. Nice and minimal. Got a website. Early access. Well,
that's the future. Look at that.
I guess you can't buy it yet. By the looks, based on this website, it's very futuristic.
Looks like turntables or something.
I don't think you can buy it yet, Will.
Yeah.
And then the price comes into play. They're like, look, it's 10 times better. We're going to need
more.
We're going to need 10 times more.
Yeah. Cool. Congrats.
Just congrats.
Yeah, in general.
Just congrats.